This is Everyday Grammar. I'm Kaveh.
And I'm Lucia. Kaveh, you look tired. Did you get enough sleep last night?
The fire alarm in my building went off at 5 a.m. But I had to get up early anyway.
I'm sorry to hear that. Anyway, let's talk about today's lesson. Anyway, as one word, is a common adverb in everyday speech. It is used to show disagreement or contrast and appears either at the beginning or the end of the sentence.
There are two main ways that anyway is used in conversation. One is to show contrast with another speaker's point.
And the other is to signal change in conversation, to show that you will talk about something different.
Anyway, at the end of the sentence, generally shows contrast. It does not always mean the speaker disagrees, but signals a comparison.
I can't find my bus pass. That's okay. I'll let you ride anyway.
Anyway, at the beginning of a sentence shows that the speaker wants to talk about a different and usually more important subject. Consider this conversation of two people at work.
Hey, it's almost lunchtime. Where are you going to go eat?
I'm not sure. I was thinking of going to the deli.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Anyway, can you send me those numbers so I can finish the report? And that's Everyday Grammar.